so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
And welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be coming to you with this new makeup tutorial on this look right here. Yes, so if you guys like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And also, I just wanted to touch on the hair that I have in. This is the wig that I made with the previous video that should already be up on the unboxing of the deep curler. I just wanted to touch on it a little bit. I'm not going to talk too much about it in this video, but yes, this is the wig. I long curled it, so that's why it looks like this. In the video I will like do on this hair, I will show it to you in its natural state of like the curls and everything. But yeah, the reason why I keep looking that way is because I was looking at my viewfinder. But that's all I pretty much wanted to say about the hair. But like I said, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So going in first, I'm going to take my P. Louise base in Romer 2, and I'm just applying this all over my lid as my eyeshadow base. So after applying my base, I'm going in with this LA Girls color palette, and I'm taking the shade right there, and I'm using this as my transition color, and I'm taking this on a matte, I forget the name of the brush, but I will have it listed down below. It's like a fluffy brush. So next I'm going in with a Dose of Colors palette, and I'm taking that color that's with the star right there, and I'm using this to further deepen up my crease because I'm going for like a cut crease look. So after I blend that shade, I'm going in with the same palette, and I'm taking the color right next to that, and I'm just deepening up my crease. So I will be using this palette for the rest of the makeup look. So I will continue with this palette, and then I will use the last shade, which is the deepest shade, to deepen up my crease. So I'm basically starting from light and then transitioning to dark colors.
Than I felt before. You make me feel something more for sure.
I have my crease deep enough, I'm gonna start cutting my crease. I cut out a clip because this process is really long. So yeah, this is the cut crease is already done. I just didn't want to make this video so long. But yes, I just used my P. Louise base and I cut out my crease. And then I just went on top of that with the LA Girls palette. The palette I just, like the first palette I used, and I used that white shade to pat down, well, like to set the eyeshadow base. So moving on to my face, I'm going to be taking the Kylie's face primer. This came out with her birthday collection. I love this primer, by the way. It does pretty good to me. So I'm just applying this all over my face. And then next I'm going in with my two foundations. I'm using my Nars foundation and my ARMANI foundation. I will have the color shades that I use down below. And I'm just taking this on a Morphe brush and blending it all into my face. So after I blend in my foundation, I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm using the Cover FX concealer. I love this concealer, by the way. To me, this is one of the best concealers. I like it better than Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, down my nose, my cupid's bow, and forehead. Then I'm going to go in with a e.l.f. brush and use this to blend it out. And for my contour, I'm going in with the Kylie's concealer in a darker shade. But yes, I will have that listed down below. I don't apply this like onto my face. I apply it on the back of my hand and just like go in with my brush and then apply it. I find that it's better and it doesn't make your contour as harsh. And I'm just applying this around my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. So after I apply my contour, I'm going in with my setting powder. I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm just applying this where I apply my concealer. And then after that, I'm going in with my Morphe contour palette. To me, it's more so like a bronze palette, and I'm taking that color right there. And I'm using this on like a fluffy Morphe brush, and I'm just using this basically to set the cream contour that I applied. So anything you use with a cream, you should set it with the powder. So after I apply my bronzer, I'm going in with my blush, and I'm taking this lighter shade. And yes, I'm just applying this on the apples of my cheeks. And then after I go in with that, I'm going in with my highlighter, which is from Fenty Beauty. I think this is Hustler Baby, if I'm not mistaken, but I will have it listed down below. And I'm taking this on another Morphe brush, and I'm just applying this to like the highest points of my cheek, my nose, and my cupid's bow. And yes. So for my lips, I'm going in with a Huda Beauty lip liner. I don't know the shade. right now. But like I said, I will have everything listed down below. Then on top of that, I'm going in with the KKW lipstick. And then on top of the lipstick, I'm going in with Kylie's liquid lipstick in a metallic shade. I will have that listed down below as well. So that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave me a comment down below if you have any requests for any type of video. But yes, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.